Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. Today we will introduce the commonly used function click crop at XY in the Desktop Auto module. When using the Desktop Auto module to operate software on your computer, you often need to move the mouse to click on a specific area. While you may have learned how to use click crop, you might find that not all images are suitable for Emily to recognize. For instance, if you have many identical checkboxes, it can be challenging to use click crop to directly click on the desired checkbox. In such cases, you can use click crop at XY to precisely click on the desired location. To use Desktop Auto to perform click crop at XY, start by opening Emily in training mode and navigating to the Desktop Auto module. Click Open Trainer UI and launch a browser to create a Google form with multiple checkboxes. After designing the form, click on the middle icon in the function menu that resembles a donut or camera to capture a screenshot of the full screen. Next, select the left side screen icon to view the screenshot. In a traditional click crop, you would drag to capture a screenshot of the checkboxes themselves. However, as mentioned, there are multiple identical checkboxes, which makes it difficult for Emily to accurately identify the desired checkbox. This is where click crop at XY becomes useful. Observe the form and find an area on the screen that has unique text or symbols, such as asterisk indicates required question, which is not similar to anything else on the screen and is suitable as a reference image. Start from the top left corner and drag to create a pink draggable area around the desired text. Once you release the mouse button, a new menu will appear. Choose the fourth option, click crop at XY, and the selected area will turn green, indicating that Emily can correctly recognize the selected image. Now, you can use this image as a reference point to click on the desired checkbox. Click the checkbox you want. You'll notice a notification in the bottom right corner stating Click Crop command added, confirming that you've successfully added the Click Crop at XY command. Next, click on the double bracket icon, which displays the code for the command you added. Click the play button in the top right corner to test if it was successful. You should see the mouse move and click on the checkbox. Now, let's return to the code section. In addition to the confidence and instant parameters introduced in click crop, you will see two additional numbers. These numbers represent the horizontal and vertical distances from the reference image to the target click position. You can modify these numbers to change the click position accordingly. Two, use the screenshot gallery to select a new click point. Return to the full screen screenshot and open the screenshot gallery. Locate the image you captured earlier and click on the function menu to choose the option Click Crop at XY again. This will reselect the reference image of asterisk indicates required question with a green box around it. This time, click on the second checkbox you want to target. A notification in the bottom right corner will confirm that you've successfully added a new click crop at XY command. Now, test the new command by pressing the play button. The mouse should move and click on the second checkbox you selected. Both methods allow you to adjust the click position for the click crop at XY command, offering flexibility depending on whether you prefer to modify the coordinates manually or interactively select a new click point in the screenshot gallery. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.